Hello everybody, welcome back to Car Time with Cortland. Today we have Captain D's and also I'm in Bowling Green. Let's chat. These are jalapeno poppers. I've never had these here before. That's hot. That's pretty good. I got some dipping sauce. I got some ketchup sauce. I got some malt vinegar, obviously. Well, this got a kick to it. We got some napkins and some forks. And then we got some tartar sauce too. And then we got the Captain's platter. It's got like shrimp and crabs and hush puppies. And I got broccoli and fries. About to chow down on this. Let me tell you about my day though. So I'm in Bowling Green. I drove down last night. Got here at like midnight. Yeah. Because I'm here for naps. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. and I drank some coffee, decaf, but still, I think it helped me get through it. And then I also, let's do a fry. It's good. Yeah. And I left my hotel and I went to Western Kentucky University campus. No way, I just got that on me. But let's try this dipping sauce. Ooh, I like that. That's good. Yeah. So then I sang for the spiritual category, and then I sang for the classical category, and now I'm here being a big back in my car. You know how we do. This is fire. I haven't eaten like at all today, so all I had was an egg and cheese biscuit at like 8:30. It's now 3 p.m. Bowling Green time. That is. That didn't give me enough malt vinegar. So yeah, that's been my day. Honestly, they gave me 2 sets of silverware. Like, this is for 2 people. Damn. Alright. Cool. And I don't want to hear anybody say, ew, you're eating Captain D's? That's disgusting. I also don't want to hear Captain D's nuts. Listen, it is so good. Y'all just don't understand. And haters gonna hate regardless. So I'm gonna do what I want to do. Anyway, yeah. I'm not too sure what my next move is as far as nuts. I know I sing again tomorrow because I passed the first round. for the spirituals. I don't know about classical. And the thing is, the spirituals I was super confident on, I knew I was gonna pass. Classical, they asked for the songs that I wish that they wouldn't ask for, because I kept tripping up my words and I did mess up. But I kept going and Loki played it off. So hopefully they'll just think I have bad diction. Like, I know the words. I don't know what happened. I just couldn't get it in my head. There's a lot of music. I had to sing like 8 pieces. This dipping sauce is like creamy cocktail sauce. It's good. I'm actually pretty full. I honestly didn't even eat a lot. I've had this weird thing in my throat all day, which is like not good because I've been singing, you know? I don't know what the deal is. It's been like weird. Okay, I'm literally so full. Bye!